Hi everyone, it's Don, and I hope you're having a fantastic week. Well, it just seems the Carnival Triumph just can't help getting in trouble. So perhaps the best thing most people remember the Carnival Triumph for now is that cruise when she broke down and passengers ended up spending days at sea to get rescued. The bathrooms were all broken down and the toilets were backed up and people were using buckets and they were sleeping up on decks because the sewer smell was just so bad. And the cruise itself was labeled the poop cruise. Well, this year the Carnival announced that it was going in for a major refit, like $200 million refit, and they were completely changing everything and including their name. They were going to go from the Carnival Triumph to the Carnival Sunrise, and maybe that would get the distinction of that cruise away from this ship, and people will think of it as a brand new ship as opposed to always thinking of it as that ship from that poop cruise. And well, things aren't off to a great start because in Cadiz in Spain, under dry dock, where she's in getting her refit, a fire broke out on deck 4 and caused a lot of damage. They had to evacuate over 200 dock workers, and they finally did put the fire out. It's not expected to be a whole lot of damage. It's not, uh, you know, constructional integrity, if you will. It was mostly superficial damage. It'll be fixed up quite easily, and it's in the right spot to get fixed up right away because it's in dry dock. These things do happen. It's not the first time something like this has happened on a shipyard, that's for sure. But it just kind of adds to the stigma of the name Triumph from Carnival. No matter what they seem to try and do, it just seems to be almost cursed as far as in the news is concerned, because you never hear about the Carnival Triumph anymore in a good light. They announced a $200 million refit, and while it's getting refitted, it catches fire. So I kind of feel sorry for Carnival on this one. They're really doing their best to improve the ship, putting in a whole lot of new amenities and redo the whole ship, giving it a whole new facelift, and this happens. Well, let's hope it doesn't keep the stigma of the ship and people do give it a chance, because it does happen all the time. This isn't a major thing. I kind of thought it was kind of funny and ironic that they try and erase the name Triumph and it still seems to be, cursing a little bit. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tips, more tricks, more travel vlogs from around the world, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.